Happy Wednesday, y'all. I just wanted to hop on and let you guys know that I will be doing a drawing on, I believe towards the end of August. So the winner will get a MacBook Air as a prize, and I will be making the selection randomly from my subscriber list. So, but in order to qualify for the drawing, you will have to go on my page and leave a comment under one of my videos on, either a suggestion, feedback, or what type of content you would like to see from me moving forward. So that's all you have to do. And at the end of the month, I will randomly pick one person and get you a MacBook Air for free. So again, the requirements are having to go to my page, subscribe. I don't think I mentioned that before. Subscribe and view one of my videos and leave a comment of any sort. It could be a suggestion, feedback, or what type of content you'd like to see from me. So for feedback, you can say the video quality is really bad. You can tell me as feedback, say, get better editing tools, other types of software. Any type of feedback is more than welcomed. I want to create a great work for you guys to review, and so I just want a little bit of feedback from you. So that's all you have to do. Subscribe and leave a comment, and I will pick at the end of the month. Have a great day.